Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back with a unboxing of my Simple Stories. This is the Bunnies and Bloom Bunny and Blooms box, and on their website simplestories.com, this box was retail. It was $80.50, but they had it marked down almost 50% to $43. So I will go through this collection with you. Oh, it comes in a nice bag that you can totally keep it in. That's awesome. So I already got in the warehouse box, I got one of the 6x8 paper pads. So I already had that. And then they sent me, and then it comes with another 6x8. So I have plenty of the paper. I'll do a quick flip through if you haven't seen my other video. You get a lot of cut aparts in here. Double-sided paper. I love that one. It's my favorite. And then it repeats. And then I got the page pieces. You get 14 pieces in here. This watering can is super cute. And the rainbow. It says love grows here. You get some gardening gloves, a trowel, rain boots, a hat, a seed packet. It says be happy. You get some daisies, which are my favorite. And then one that says bloom. And then you get some more, so those page pieces were called bloom. This one's called Easter. I'll show you what you get on the back. So this one's just more basically Easter. Goes with the bunny theme, and the other one goes with the bloom theme. Oops, there's a little trowel. And then I got the puffy stickers. Super cute. And the 4x6 stamp set for Bunnies and Blooms. Then the 12x12 collection kit. I'll show you the papers that come in this one. So you get the sticker sheet. Love that little border down there. And some cut aparts. And all these pages are double-sided. There's a big sheet of that. That's nice. And then you get the tags. And the eggs. Some kind of a plaid or gingham a real light pink. All the seed packets. And the gardening page. And a pastel plaid, that's real pretty. With the bunnies. And then the green gingham. And this is the other side. And then it comes with the Happy Spring page kit. And here are some of the papers you get in it. And these are all just punch outs. You get 26 chipboard pieces, 4 12x12 paper cardstock base sheets, 53 die cuts, bits and pieces, and then the complete instruction guide. I don't use mine to make a 12x12 double page layout. I use mine to make cards. So there is that one. And then I got the card kit, Sending Sunshine. So there are all the cards that you can make. And then it includes 34 chipboard pieces, 68 die cut bits and pieces, 8 white card bases, and the complete step-by-step instructions. Envelopes are not included. So, super fun card kit. So that is the Bunnies and Bloom box from Simple Stories. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified of when I upload new content. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.